Good day everyone. Today video is going to be reviewing GoPro 13 Black. This is a brand new one. Just going to open the box and see what's inside the box. Here it comes with stickers, user manual, instruction, and also the how to use. And this is it comes with it's a Type-C cable charger. Comes with mount and battery. And this is for car dash sticker. Mount too, and the camera. It says your camera must be updated before you can use it, so you need to update before using it. This is how it looks. Mount here, you can install this one like that, and then put this one like that. And this one goes here. It locks in. To install the battery, you need to pull this one a little bit here, like that, and then open, close, open. Let's put the battery in. It's the battery. It's one way to install this, like that. Close it. Press. On and off. English, agree, GPS on, voice command on, English US confirm. Now we need to insert the SD card. Battery check is good. The battery needs to be charged. Now let's install the SD card. This is recommended for the GoPro project, and this is high speed, 90 megabytes, or from 100 to 90 UHS. So recommended to get this one. Let's open this one. This is the adapter. To install the SD card, you need to, same thing, open from the back, and here's the SD card. The SD card goes only one way, which is, see, this way here. You put it and then install. Push it. until it's locked in. Time to put the cover back. Good. No, turn on. Now we gotta do the setup again. Agree. GPS. On. English. Turn. GoPro quick app. Now we need to scan this in your smartphone to download the app. Download the app. You can open your camera, scan this. Sometimes this one does not work. Here we go. It works now. See? Show option. And browse, and then it takes you to the Google app, Google Play. Open it and download the app. GoPro Quick Video Editor. Install. Agree. GoPro. Now, yes. Connect. Allow. Connect. Here. Now update is done, camera is done, all set. Your camera software was uploaded successfully. You can latest feature, good. Okay. Subscribe for auto update. I will do this later. This is the camera here. You can use the app to the camera, and to do this, see. Super photo. You can scan new footage or standard video. Let's see if the view media. No media yet. So you can enjoy the go back. Now standard video. Here is the video setting. You can do from here. Format. Widescreen, all this you can do easy. Click there, and you can set up auto upload. Recording. It's recording now. Press again. Under video. Highest. Basic. Standard. Widescreen. Full frame. Widescreen. Slow motion. HDR. You can use this or this. That's it. Goodbye.